Hello friends. Yesterday we studied about the cell division and its types. What is the cell division? Okay, cell division is the important property of cell and living organism. There are two types of cell division. One is the mitosis and another is the meiosis. First we consider about the what is the mitosis. Okay, mitosis, we know that mitosis is also called as a equational division or somatic cell division. Equational or somatic cell division. Why equational and why somatic? Because mitosis is occur in somatic cells. Mitosis is occurs in somatic cell. That's why somatic cell division. And during the process of cell division, daughter cells receive equal number of chromosomes and division occurs in somatic cell. During the process of cell division, daughter cell receive equal number of chromosome. That's why equational division. Okay, and mitosis occurs in which cell? Somatic cell. That's why somatic cell division. Okay. Now we know that mitosis consists of two phases. One is a cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. What is the cytoplasm? Means division of cytoplasm. We called it cytokinesis. Division of cytoplasm. Okay. Cytokinesis. Another is a karyokinesis. Nucleus. Division of nucleus. That's why karyokinesis. Okay. Mitosis is discovered by scientist Walther Fleming. Okay, under microscope you know that. Walther Fleming in 1882. Okay. Now karyokinesis occurs in 4 phases. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first we consider what is the in a mitosis, two identical means same daughter cell produced from one parent cell, means from parent cell. Okay, in mitosis two identical daughter cells, means suppose this is the one parent cell and this is two daughter cell, cell division. Okay, this is the two daughter cells, means from the one parent cell there is a two identical means same daughter cell are produced. Okay, in mitosis. Now karyokinesis occurs in a 4 phase. We know that 1, 2, 3. First is the prophase. Pro means first. Prophase. Metaphase. Third is the anaphase. And last is the telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Karyokinesis occurs in prophase, 4 phase. Prophase means first phase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Okay. So what is the mitosis? Mitosis is equational division. Why equational? Because the daughter cell contain equal number of chromosomes. That's why mitosis, and it occur in a which cell? Somatic cell. That's why somatic cell division means occurs in somatic cell. That's why somatic cell division. During the process of which process? Cell division, daughter cell receive equal number of chromosome. That's why equational division occurs in somatic cell. That's why somatic cell division. It consists of 2 phases. One is the cytokinesis, karyokinesis. What is the cytoplasm means division of cytoplasm. Cytokinesis, karyo means nucleus, division of nucleus, karyokinesis. Okay, third is the Mitosis discovered by which scientist? Walter Fleming in 1882. Karyokinesis occurs in 4 phases. Prophase, first phase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. 4 phases. Okay. In mitosis, we know that 2 identical daughter cells produced from parent cell. 2 identical. Suppose this is a parent cell. 2 identical means what? Same. 2 identical daughter cells produced from parent cell. So this is our simple types of cell division, mitosis. In the next video, we studying about the detailed information about the what is the actually prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and what is the telophase. Thank you so much.